In this video, I am going to show you how to create a Ton wallet using the Tonkeeper wallet. All right, so you can create a lot of Ton wallets. Okay, so you can create with Ton Hub, you can create with Telegram's Ton wallet, you can create with Tonkeeper, you can create with Ton Space. But in this particular video, I prefer Tonkeeper, so I'm going to use Tonkeeper to create a Ton wallet. So if you want to be using the Tonkeeper wallet, all you have to do is go to Play Store, type Tonkeeper. This is the app. Okay, so I'll add the link of this app to the description and also to the first comment so that it will be easy for you to download the app. If you are a new user, please give me a subscribe so that whenever I post a video, you will be notified. If you're an old user, give me a like and also leave a comment at the comment section. Join my Telegram channel if you want more early updates and also early airdrops to join. All right, so thank you. Now let's get into it. So I am going to open the app. All right, so now we have two options over here. The first option is to create a new wallet, and the second option is to import a wallet. All right, existing wallet. So in case you already have a Tonkeeper wallet, you can import it on your new device. You understand? But for the purpose of this video, we are going to create a new wallet. So all you have to do is just to click on the create new wallet. So I'm going to click on that, and you need to set a passcode. Okay, just set a passcode so that in case someone compromise your phone, the person will have to enter that code before the person can access your account. You understand? So I'm going to enter. All right, so you just have to repeat it, and that's all. All right, so basically this is my wallet. Okay, I have created my wallet and it's very, very simple. Now, before anything, we have to secure the wallet. Okay, so first of all, we need to set a biometric access to our wallet. Okay, so that in case we forgot our passcode, okay, we can use our fingerprint or our facial recognition security to open it. All right, so you can see this over here. Okay, this right, it says use biometrics to approve transactions. Okay, so I'm going to click on that and I have to enter my code just like that. Okay, then I have to use my fingerprint to allow, and that is it. Okay, so now we are not done. We need to secure it more. We need to do something so that in case we lose the device, okay, and we want to use it on a different device, what are we going to do? Okay, so what we have to do is to use a backup recovery phrase, which is this one. All right, so you just have to click on it, then click continue, then use your sensor to, you have to give approval. Okay, now you can see we have recovery phrase, right? So all you have to do is you have to copy this recovery phrase to a safe place. Most of the time it is advisable you don't save it online, because when a hacker has access to your phone, the person can steal this phrase, enter into your account anywhere the person is located, and can steal your asset. So it's advisable you write it on a piece of paper or maybe in a book, you understand, so that it won't be easy for someone, unless maybe someone who is closer to you who enters your room can just pick it up and enter. But it's more safer than leaving it online, because there are a lot of ways people can compromise your phone, your device. Okay, so it's better you write it on visual. Better still, you can put a password on your this thing, on your notepad. Okay, so that no one can access. Even when someone takes your phone, the person cannot access it. All right, so just click on check backup. Go back. Make sure you copy it, keep it safe, just write it down, or maybe for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to just snap it. Okay, I've taken screenshot. I am also going to take picture with my phone. All right, yes. So now click on check backup if you have written it somewhere or you have kept it safe. It is very important. Okay, so now they are saying we should enter our first code, or our first phrase. So I'm going to type my phrase, first one. Then they said the 17th phrase, so I'm going to count 17. What is this? I'm going to type it there. Then the 20th phrase, okay, I'm going to type it there. Then I'm going to click on done, and as you can see, we have set our backup recovery phrase. Okay, so when we go to the settings now, which is this side, That is our settings, right? Just click on that. Then you can see when I click on the backup over here, which is this. Okay, I click on that. You can see we have the manual backup set. Okay, on. So in case you have the wallet on your device, but you want to, import it on a different device, and you are looking for your backup code, okay, or your recovery code or phrase, you just have to come to this section. Okay, you just have to just click on it, click continue, use your fingerprint or your facial recognition. If you couldn't set one, just use enter a passcode, and you are going to see it over here. You can see. All right, so when someone has this, know that your account is doomed. Okay, the person can drain your asset, so make sure you keep this safe. All right, so you can click to copy. Let's go back. So that is it. So you can add more security. You can come to this section to check if there are other security options over here. Okay, just click on the security, and you can see this. Okay, so you can see we have the lock screen, so you can click on that to add it to your security. In case someone compromise your phone and is able to bypass your biometrics, the person will have to use your passcode again. So that means we are making it two extra layer protection. You understand? So that is it. So that is basically what to do over here. So that's all about creating account on the Tonkeeper wallet. All right, so you can click on tokens to add more tokens, and with the Tonkeeper wallet, it only accepts two tokens, which is USDT and Ton only. Okay, so that is why I love it. Okay, so you can see we have options over here, which is to send, receive, scan, swipe, buy or sell, and stake. Okay, so yes, in case you want to buy, you want to use any of that, you can use it. All right, so now when I click on the ton coin is the ton that we are talking about. Okay, all right, so that is basically it. So you can buy or sell. Okay, so you can buy. So if you want to buy, you just have to allow it here. Okay, if you want to sell, you just have to click here. So let's say I want to sell, so I have to click here. So I'm going to click here. That's basically if you have ton or maybe USDT and you want it in exchange for money or something like that. Okay, you just have to come and you sell it. So you can sell it on these two platforms. So the first platform is the Mercury, and the second one is the Dream Workers. So that is it. So if you want me to create a video on how to sell or buy from the Tonkeeper wallet, you just let me know. If you are new, please give me a subscribe. If you are old, give a like, and also leave a comment at the comment section, and make sure you join my Telegram channel for more updates or for more latest update and new project. Thank you, and let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.